I'm recording this in March in the Finger Lakes region of New York, and Mother Nature has given us a little reprieve from winter. It is going to be in the 50s today, so I figured it'd be a great weekend to go and do some camping. So let's get to it. First order of business, lunch, and in my case, dinner. I'm gonna make a big old pot of chili and just eat that through the day, which I could do because I'm a dude. That's how dudes roll. This is a really basic chili recipe, literally stolen off the back of the envelope. So chili, cheese, onion, some peppers, some ground beef, beans, and your diced tomatoes. The meat is browned and drained. Just gonna throw in the chili seasoning packet, peppers, tomatoes, juice and all. I like to get the mild or the spicy, depending on how spicy you want to be. And then the can of beans. Top that off with some onion. And then we just get to mixing. I'm gonna cover this up, let this simmer for, I don't know, 10 or 15 minutes. And then I'll be back with lunch and dinner. That's a lot of chili. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. This is way more veggies than I usually put, but I didn't want to be hungry this weekend, so I figured I'd just load up on the peppers and onions. Plenty for lunch, plenty for dinner. And a little bit of cheese to go on top. It's all right. Oh, spicy. Lunch was great, got a little hike in. Unfortunately, the weather didn't hold. The forecast was sunny and 60 today, which for New York State in March is awesome, but 3% chance of rain, and guess who found the 3% chance? Yeah, this guy. Wanted to have a campfire. I don't know if it's gonna rain again or not. I don't have internet access out here. I'm out in the boonies, so I'm just gonna fire up the little guy. I got this one down here. I don't want to take the chance to fire the big guy up, so we're just going to go with the little one. Plus, it's getting a little windy, so don't want to fire up a big, huge fire. But this little guy puts out a pretty decent fire. All right, I'm all tucked in. Actually been tucked in for a little while. Just watched a little bit of Star Wars Force Awakens on the tablet. So about to go lights out. Probably gonna be about 30 degrees tonight, which is a little chilly, but this sleeping bag is rated down to 20. And I do have the Mr. Heater portable heater, but I probably won't need that. I don't think it's gonna be too bad tonight. So I will see you in the morning. Well, the 3% chance of rain lasted all night long, so I am packing up. It is early. Sun just came up. I made some coffee. I'm gonna head out. It is literally a mud hole all the way around me. Still had a great night though, had a great day yesterday, and I tell you what, there's no better sleep than to sleep outdoors in nature while you're camping. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the subscribe button, check out some of my other stuff, and let's keep in touch on social media. I'm Outdoors with Billy Kid on Instagram and on Facebook. See you in the next video.